Hey, hello everyone. This is Manish Ranglani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be talking about one of the recent announcement from AWS. It's regarding AWS System Manager. AWS System Manager is one of the service which allow cloud admins to manage the fleets, virtual machine, the patching, inventory management, compliance at the large scale. One of the recent announcement that I've come across with the AWS System Manager is that now you can onboard your EC2 instance, which are part of your current AWS account. You can onboard all of those EC2 instances with the AWS System Manager. Now, earlier, if in case you had to, do so, if in case you have to onboard any virtual machine with the AWS System Manager, we call it as a managed node or the managed instance. In that case, what generally we used to do. While creating a new EC2 instance, we had to attach a new role with that. So there's a EC2 page, EC2 creation page, and there's a section where you have to attach a role to your EC2 instance. So this will enable your EC2 instance to send the details to your AWS System Manager. But now there's no need to do this role attachment at the individual EC2 instance level. So what is the new announcement? The new announcement is if you go to the AWS System Manager, there's a common option which is given, which says the configure default host management. So it says you have to, if in case you want to have any unmanaged EC2 instance you want to onboard, you can enable this option. So as of now, I've got one EC2 instance in my current account, and that is still not onboarded. In this demo, I'll show you how to get onboarded with the AWS System Manager without attaching instance profile with it. Okay, so uh, but before that, what I need to do, I need to go and enable one feature here. So it says you can automatically configure AWS EC2 instance as a managed instance in your current account and the region by enabling this feature, default host configuration, default host management. So just click on it. So it will show us what the default host management configuration is about, what all things that you can get with this feature, because it will convert your unmanaged instance to a managed instance. With that, you can securely connect to your instance using System Manager. You can do the patch management, inventory management, and also manage the agent, SSM agent. So let's enable it. Now it will ask us for a role. So which role you want to attach? So here we have to attach a role only once, and that role, I've created one role here, a custom role. So this is my custom role. It basically allow our SSM AWS System Manager to access the EC2 instance detail. Okay, and I'll just copy the name of this role, and this role we have to attach only once. So if I go here, okay, so this is the existing role. Basically I'll be selecting. Now before selecting this, I want to show you one message from console. It says an IAM role must contain the permission required for the system manager to manage the AWS instance, and the permission which should be given, like it says, Amazon SSM instance, SSM manage EC2 instance. So if you see in the custom role which I've created, I've given that permission here. Amazon SSM manage EC2 instance policy. So basically it will allow SSM, AWS System Manager, to access the EC2 instance. So it will enable all the existing EC2 instances or the new instance that you are creating in your account to get automatically onboarded with your AWS System Manager. All you need to do is click on the configure now. Configure. Yeah. So this role is having a permission to access EC2 instance and send the details to EC2 instance. So now what we need to do in order to onboard a new EC2 instance with the AWS System Manager. So just want to show you one instance here. So I've got one EC2 instance with me, and it is not attached with any of the role as of now. Just want to show you that. It's taking a bit long. Okay. So here's one of my web server in my current account, and if you see, if I scroll down, it is not associated with any of the role as of now. See, this is no IAM role associated. So now what I'll be doing, I will associate a new role which I've created here with my AWS System Manager. So this is a new IAM role. I'm going to select here and say configure. Okay, so it has configured the new feature for default host management configuration with the help of this role. So now ideally a new instance which I've created, it should automatically get onboarded and should start appearing here. But when I was going through a document, there's one condition which is mentioned for this default host management configuration. So it says for any of the EC2 instance to automatically get onboarded with the system manager, the SSM agent version should be at least 3.2 or later. Okay, and what I want to show you now, so the current version which I have for my this EC2 instance, this one is okay. So this is my EC2 instance, and if you see the current version which I have is, let me check these. I've got some of the commands ready to be available. So if you see, the current version is available 3.1 dot something something. So this agent version, SSM agent version, will not be eligible to automatically onboard for the system manager. What I need to do, I need to install the latest version of AWS System Manager. Okay, there's a command for this. This is a command, you can get it from the AWS docs. So just execute it. See, it will install a version 3.2.582, the same version which is mentioned here. Okay, so if you see what is the latest version which is installed, it says 3.2.582.0. so this is the minimum agent version that needs to be available for VM to be onboarded. And if we see here, so within few minutes, see within a minute or so, the VM automatically got onboarded with AWS System Manager. No need for associating the roles at the individual EC2 instance level. So I feel this is one of the useful feature if you have very large scale of EC2 instance to be managed, rather than going and associating your roles at the individual level. Do it at the account level. No need for going and doing this manually at each instance level. So yeah, thank you so much. That's it. I just wanted to show. Thank you for watching my video, guys.